Hey guys, August is here and that is why I brought up again 5 best Android apps that you should definitely use in the month of August.
Wow.
So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So on the first number, we have the Nothing Icon Pack, which is basically an icon pack for your Android device which has a minimalistic look and its colors are inspired by the Nothing brand. And with the help of this app, you can achieve a monochromatic look on your Android device, as it will transform your device's appearance from the mundane look to something truly awesome and amazing. And this Nothing Icon Pack features over 1700 icons and 100 plus exclusive wallpaper. You can also choose alternative icons for popular and system apps. And apart from this, you get matching wallpaper collection, icon preview and search, and lastly dynamic calendar support. Alright, on the second number we have the Zoom Earth app, which is an interactive weather map of the world where you can track real-time weather. You can explore the current weather and see forecasts of your location through interactive weather maps of rain, wind, temperature, pressure, and many more. You can also track the development of hurricanes, storms, severe weather, monitor wildfires and smoke, and also stay aware of the upcoming conditions via satellite imagery, and that too in real time. Now moving on to the third number, we have the Mymind app, which gives you a brand new way of saving things into your mind without wasting any time. And that way you don't have to worry about organizing and categorizing, as this app does it all for you. So whenever you are surfing the web, with just one click, you can save text highlights, images, articles, products, or other bookmarks to your mind. And with the help of this app, you don't have to worry about storing all of the information into your mind. Now on the fourth number, we have the Blackmagic Camera app. Now I'm sure you must be thinking that this app is just for iPhone users only. But that's not the case, because this app is also available in the Play Store as well. So this app unlocks the power of your phone by adding Blackmagic's film camera controls and image processing. And that way you can create the same cinematic look as we see in Hollywood feature films just by using your phone. The app's interface is very intuitive and user-friendly. You can adjust settings such as frame rate, shutter angle, white balance, and ISO all in a single tap. So if you're one of those people who wants every single camera controls manually, then this app is just for you. Alright, on the fifth and the last number, we have the DJ Mix app, as this app elevates your music game by transforming your phone into a DJ setup. Not just any DJ setup, it's a professional DJ setup that you get in just few seconds. So whether you're practicing at home or partying somewhere, DJ Mix is the ultimate studio companion for you. It has got cutting-edge features and genuine controls that you can use just by using the palm of your hand. You also get a pretty useful music editor where you can blend your tunes with the effects that you want. There are song filtering capabilities, and you can add effects like reverse, filter your music, and even add echo to the music. So without wasting any time, elevate your beats with the real DJ pads. Having said that, these were the best 5 apps that I found in the month of August that I think you should definitely try on your Android smartphone. And all of the apps that I mentioned, the link of those will be in the description, so you can check out these apps directly from the description. And apart from this, if you have any cool app that I might have missed, then you can let us know in the comment section. We'll definitely reply to all of you. And as always, if you have reached here, then definitely like this video, share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe to Geekified, as we'll bring more cool tech videos just like this. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep enjoying your life.